guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. By June. By June. Starting June 1st. This is my goal. Well, wait. I might need to start on the 2nd. Might have to start on the 2nd week of June, honey. I'll start back going to the gym. I gotta pay for my membership. And that motherfucker high. Hell, I might as well have got the one for $10, because now Alia she don't even go with me.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Columbia Highway, Alabama 52.
So yeah, I'm in Alabama today, staying in the city limits. So that's cool. That's cool. If I pass a gas station, I gotta remember to get some damn gas. When I get back home, I'm gonna go ahead and cook that salmon. Cook the salmon. And I'm going to sit my ass down until it's time for me to go to work. I love doing this, but the only downside to it is the dogs. That's it. People will literally leave their fucking dogs out, even when they get a notification saying that, you know, someone's on the way to bring your package, you know, put your dogs away. But we really not supposed to deliver whenever it's dogs outside, or if you feel unsafe, you're not supposed to. But you know, I'm pretty sure me and a lot of other people still deliver the packages even though there is a dog. You know what I'm saying? The best way that we can get it. And like that's just ridiculous. And then some people don't even let you know that they have a dog. So as soon as you get out the car, all you hear is barking and something flying towards you 10 miles per hour. Like that is crazy to me. People just don't be putting their animals up, or even bother to let you know that they have a animal, and then they just be barking aggressively. That's the only annoying part. And for the people who don't let people know that they have a dog, or don't put their dog away when we come, I think they should give us a hell of a rating. And your delivery is still made even though you got your dog out barking like he want to eat me for dinner, and I'll still make sure that I deliver your package and put it in a high place where the dog can't get it. You feel me? Like, that's above and beyond. That is above and beyond. Yesterday, this lady, she had a dog on her porch. It didn't show that she even had an animal. And I don't know what kind of dog it was, but that dog was barking so, that junk scared me. And that's the first time I done really got scared, you know, whenever the dogs bark and stuff. But this dog was like and snorting and all that. I was like, And then she had him tied up with a little piece of cord. Girl, you are crazy. Nobody wants to get bit by no damn dog. So this is the type of shit I be talking about as far as the dogs and stuff. This is the message they left. Dog is not aggressive but will bark. Can drop off the package at the swing set or mailbox so you don't need to get out of your car if you worry. Okay, first of all, just put that motherfucker up. Don't keep trying to give us other alternatives, you know, because we're not supposed to put it in the damn mailbox. You know what I'm saying? But why not just put the dog up, man? Instead of, you know, the dog bark and all that. You said they talking about the dog could just bark. Are you sure about that? Are you sure? It actually met me at the car. See, I like that. Salmon taken out to cook. However, I had got this the other day at Publix, and today is the last day to cook it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook this too. So I'll probably just have that, and I'll save the extra piece of salmon for somebody who wants it. So I'm pretty sure one of them gonna go. Either Nayari or Nayari. One of them. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and soak. Then I'm fixing to go ahead and prepare this salmon. I'm gonna take it, and this is a seafood stuffed salmon with broccoli. Avocados ain't ready yet, so probably just have me a banana. I ain't gonna do an orange because that might fill me up too much. I'm gonna put some seasoning on this shit. Smell like it ain't got none. It's a little funky, and that's that broccoli. And let's see, where's my salmon seasoning? I'm gonna use the rest of this on here. Ooh, too much. I'm gonna put it all over. Cause yeah, I want my shit to be seasoned. I don't want no bullshit. I'm gonna leave this out. This is my little salmon seafood seasoning combo. I'm gonna just pour the rest of this in here.
Hey Mama. You want to see something?
Put a piece of butter on the top of this too.
So you want to see something? So you know when you let us stay up late yesterday, right? Mm-hmm. They already scratched me. And look. My finger right here is...
She scratched you?
Yeah, and then...
Did she do it on purpose?
No, she did it on accident.
Okay, so what you snitching for?
I just wanted to show you.
Oh, okay. Okay, then. Yeah. It happens sometimes, you know?
But I forgive her.
As you should. I'll put some butter on this broccoli. I used the country crock. I was using Blue Bonnet, but Some salmon. You eating some?
No.
You need to start eating. Stop just eating rice only.
I like rice.
Lollipop. You can't just eat. Rice is not a meal. Y'all want to drink some of y'all wine today?
What wine?
Some of y'all kids' wine? Or not today?
Yes, today. No, today.
Girl!
Yes.
Maybe I should put it on top of something. Like a piece of foil or something. Here, let me put a piece of foil up under there.
Mama,
Huh?
I'm looking out.
Oh, yeah.
But they doing that and like the woman, I had to do like this. That was gonna be eating.
Damn, that shit hot. Already? Here we go. Alright, the pot is heating up for the salmon. I got the rice on. And I'm having me a banana. I gotta put that rice to it. They sweet. Okay, this mine. And then this theirs. Lollipop just eating rice. So, yep. I'll let y'all know how this tastes. This is my first time trying this. Okay, let's give it a try, y'all. Look like it's got imitation crab meat in it. Uh-oh. It's alright. Why is it so white? I don't have to do something with this. But it's okay. I wouldn't get it again, but it's alright.
Do it taste like yours?
I'm back at it again. I went ahead and took another block because they had one for that was, you know, quite a bit of money. So this time I'm gonna be out for 4 hours, but I'll be back before dark. So that's the best part. Being out here at nighttime is woo. It's crazy. So my block started at 2:30. It's 2:12 right now. I can't check in till about 2:15 or after 2:15. So I'm gonna wait till 2:16 and I'm gonna go on and get started. We headed to Florida. These, let me know, do y'all eat these? Let me pull them back some.
They are not
Cheddar
good.
fries.
I want to
I like
try
them.
some.
Just the Andy Caps. They whole collection is delicious to me. It give me nostalgia. I like their cheddar bacon.
Really good.
Cheddar bacon fries too. You like them, Lollipop?
Yeah.
Yeah, my girl. Yeah.
I'm going to eat all day.
They hot fries good too.
Thank you.
I just ain't in the mood to be eating extra spicy stuff because I got a Big Mama too.
So what? I'm going to put the wood across.
Can't really see it because the brightness. Damn thing bright as hell. Big Mama. We done made it back in.
And I need tiny money.
We at Sonic right now trying to get some sweets. I just want to go home, to be honest with you. Shit, I just want to get this stuff and go. Here, get your...
So sorry about that. Wait, how can I help you?
Can I get 2 vanilla dishes, one with strawberry on it? Also, can I get a medium Oreo blast with...
For the second dish, you want just a sundae?
I guess just the vanilla cup.
So I have a dish, a strawberry sundae, and what size was that Oreo blast?
Medium. Add one more ice cream dish. And
You want
add
just a plain one?
and then add cookie dough to the Oreo blast, please.
Just to make sure you have the small fries and Oreo and cookie dough blast, sundae, strawberry sundae in 2 dishes. Anything else I can get for you?
That'll be all. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
What, Lollipop?
You did it, Mother.
Have y'all tried this? I have not tried this. It smells like the blue candy cane. It's sour. It does have the texture of a marshmallow. This is what the inside looks like. I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give these to Gare Bear because I think that he likes these. I don't like them.